Welcome, travel enthusiasts! Ready to embark on your next adventure? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time explorer, these essential travel tips will ensure your journey is smooth and unforgettable. Let's dive in. First up, plan ahead but stay flexible. Research your destination, book your accommodations, and create an itinerary. But remember, the best experiences often come from unplanned moments. So, stay open to surprises. Pack smart and light. Stick to the essentials and pack versatile clothing. Use packing cubes to save space and keep things organized. Don't forget a small first aid kit and essential toiletries. Stay connected with family and friends. Consider a local SIM card or an international phone plan. Download essential travel apps for navigation, translation, and local information. Staying connected keeps you safe and informed. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings and asking for directions can make interactions smoother and more pleasant. Locals appreciate the effort, and it enhances your travel experience. Keep important documents safe. Make copies of your passport, visa, and travel insurance. Store digital copies in a secure cloud service and keep physical copies separate from the originals. Embrace the local culture. Try local foods, attend cultural events, and interact with locals. Respect customs and traditions. This enriches your travel experience and fosters positive connections. Stay healthy on the road, stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and get enough rest. Carry a reusable water bottle and be cautious with street food and tap water. Be mindful of your budget. Look for deals on flights and accommodations. Use public transportation and eat at local restaurants. Keep track of your expenses to avoid overspending. Capture memories through photos and videos. Document the beautiful landscapes and memorable moments. But don't forget to live in the moment and enjoy your surroundings. Safety first. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded places. Keep your belongings secure and avoid displaying valuables. Research the safety situation of your destination and follow local advice. Invest in travel insurance. It covers unexpected medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. It provides peace of mind and ensures you're prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. Finally, enjoy the journey. Travel is about exploring new places, meeting new people, and creating unforgettable memories. Embrace the adventure, stay curious, and make the most of every moment. Happy travels!